How to fix your Smart Life app not working. So here are a few things you can go ahead and try. So first of all, just go ahead and exit your Smart Life app completely. You can reopen it first of all to try just restarting it for a little. But if not, you can go ahead to your Play Store, search for the Smart Life app specifically. So search for that. And once you've done that, go ahead and make sure you have no updates. So make sure the app is on the latest version in your device's App Store or Play Store, since updates can fix bugs and improve stability. Also, make sure your internet is stable, since a weak or unstable connection often causes the app to fail in some areas. But anyways, other than that, you can go ahead to your device settings as well. So go to your device settings and go to the app section. You can go ahead and search for your apps as well, but once you're there, you're going to go ahead and search for your Smart Life app. So you could either search that up over here in the search bar or manually look for it by scrolling down to the S section. Pretty much depends on how your device arranges the apps, but once you're in your Smart Life, press on that, go to the clear data option in the bottom right corner or anywhere that says the clear cache button. So press on clear cache, press on OK. If you want to go ahead and clear all data, that's fine. You're just going to have to relog in to your accounts. But if that still doesn't work after checking if it works, you can go ahead and try reinstalling. So go to your Play Store, uninstall the Smart Life app, and install the app again. It is similar to clearing all data, but this one is probably much better to pretty much restart the app as a whole. Then just install the app, open up the app again, and log into your accounts. But those are a few options you can try if your Smart Life app isn't working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.